Is the pen holder on your Cricut machine not holding? That pen won't click into place and it doesn't hold the pen so it can draw. The last time I was using my pen holder or clamp A, this little piece broke off. Ever since then, my pen holder doesn't work. So I went to Amazon and I purchased this Cricut accessory adapter replacement, and I'm going to show you how to install it. Here is that replacement adapter, and there is that little piece that broke. So you can see that little piece is just one of those little guides here on the pen holder. This is the piece right here that we're going to be replacing. I'll take out my pen, and with my finger on the bottom, I'm just gonna push it up. It is kind of difficult, and you may think that you're gonna break your machine, but you're not. And there we can see that little piece that is broken. I've got my replacement, and I'm gonna do the same thing, just opposite. I'm gonna push it down, and it will kind of click into place. And now when I take my pen, I can push it in, I'll hear it click, and it is in there secure. So I can use clamp A. Here is my cute card that I made with my new pen holder, and you can see it worked perfectly. If you want more Cricut tips and tutorials, make sure to check out my website, thecraftyblogstalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye, and happy crafting!